Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In case you were wondering, the heart does not stop when you sneeze. It does not stop whatsoever, said Dr. Jose Misri, Chief of Cardiology and Chairman of the Department of Medicine at St. Francis Hospital and Medical Center in Hartford, Con.2 September 1998.
Let's help you make your mark.
According to Boyer, the muscle tension that builds up in your chest causes pressure, and when you sneeze and the muscles relax, it releases pressure. Anytime you release pressure, it feels good. The 17th of April 2012.
Make your mark, take our lead.
According to the Mythbusters, even though a sneeze can leave your nose at 200 miles per hour, it can't transfer this pressure into your eye sockets to remove your eyeballs. Plus, there aren't muscles directly behind your eyes to push them out. 7 September 2011.
Let's help you make your mark.
Did your heart just stop? According to the UAMS Department of Otolaryngology, Head and Neck Surgery, your heart doesn't exactly stop. When you sneeze, the intrathoracic pressure in your body momentarily increases. This will decrease the blood flow back to the heart. 8 March 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Sneezing is an astoundingly powerful human action, blasting mucus and air from the nose and mouth at up to 100 miles per hour, according to the Cleveland Clinic. That power exists whether a sneeze is held in or not. Support our journalism. 16 January 2018.
Take our lead.
Sneezing with your eyes open. Should you or shouldn't you? Yes, you can sneeze with your eyes open. And, no, the schoolyard legend, if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyeballs will pop out of your head, isn't true. 27 February 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.